If you're clearing prelims 2026, then you must plan next 80 days in a effective manner, in a strategic manner, so that you can get the best out of this time, so that it should be your last means. Now here I'm going to suggest you like the what should be a plan. It is for your reference. You can modify it slightly. Based on my experiences, you should always do the backward planning, as we have our means is on 21st August, right? So imagine yourself on 20th August. What do you think? Or imagine yourself 5 days before 21st August. What will be your mindset? What you will be doing that point of time? Most of us would be doing what? Will be revising our short notes, because we can't read everything, right? It's a huge main syllabus. So we will be having this from 16th to 20th August is going to be the short note revision time. So here we will be doing the short notes. To have the short notes, you need to prepare the short notes, right? So before this, you need to have around, that is from 15th August. If you come this side, that will be around, let's say the 21st July, I would say, almost around how many days? 25 days. Almost around 25 days. Here it should be revision 2. Here you will also be doing the revision, third revision, short notes revision. Here you will be doing the second revision plus short notes making plus full length test writing. These three things are crucial during this period. And then before this, that is from 2nd June, today I am recording this video, it's a 2nd June till 21st July. Almost how many days? 30 plus 20, that is around 50 days. Almost around 50 days. This is going to be your first reading or the first revision plus answer writing. Every day write 4 to 5 answer, not like the full length, but on weekly basis you can write half length test. Okay, so this time is not the time for notes making. This you can make short notes. I am talking about short notes. I am assuming that you have already full notes. This is for the revision, answer writing and the weekly half length test along with the essay writing test. I think this should be your plan. And for detailed plan, you can visit our academy, Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. Here you can come. I will be available here. We can discuss and make your individual plan. Thank you so much.